right, welcome back. Mike Mason with the Ingram Micro Business Transformation Center team. And here we're unboxing a simulator. So F5 Distributed Cloud Services has a simulator that you can leverage to learn more about the product or see how something's done. So really a great tool to have in the toolbox to explore the product and see the things that it could help you solve, see the problems it could help you solve. So as I just kind of roll through here, these are all simulators that it will step-by-step go through with you on how to set this up. So the one I think I'm going to use today is the multi-cloud networking brownfield cloud-to-cloud via sites. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead. We click Open. It gives me some nice visuals, some nice directions on the side here. And I actually don't need an account to go ahead and use this. All I need to do is go to the website and start typing and clicking. I'm going to go ahead and hit setup here. And there's some interactivity where here I go. I click, I ping, I can't ping from either side. Now I'm going to go ahead and walk through this demonstration step by step. And hopefully at the end, they will allow me to ping between my Azure site and my AWS site. So let's get into it. All right, so just to pause here, I did go through the demo. It took me about 15 minutes to actually get through the full demo, but I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video and just provide a little bit of commentary as I go ahead and do that. So here I was at the demo working through it. Certainly, sometimes when you get into simulators like this, you get a little bit where you're just clicking what they tell you to click. And I guess there is that danger here where you could fall into that. But I think there's really nice instructions on the side to help you go through and help you make sense of everything. Also, I think it's step by step enough where this is a nice resource if you actually want to go ahead and use your own Azure site, use your own AWS site to go ahead and compare and do it, right? So you can kind of work through at your own pace. I did in 15 minutes, just sort of working as fast as I could. And then, oh boy, if I could actually move through things this fast, I'd get a lot more work done. But as you can see, as I move through the interface, it's kind of jumping back and forth, right? So I'm grabbing things I need from the F5 Distributed Cloud Console, and then I'm grabbing things I need out of Azure. And in a moment here, I should be finished with the Azure side of the table. And now I'm going to go ahead and boom, I go into AWS and I start configuring things from a VPC perspective and, making sure I have everything I need. So it's a really good way. It helps you see what you need. Specifically, if you need rights for certain things, not everyone has rights in their own AWS and Azure site. To get the things that they need. So this would clearly show you, okay, these are the things I need to go ahead and do to make this piece happen with my rights. Okay, but I went through the demo here. Certainly easy enough to go through. Certainly helps me visualize how you'd accomplish this and the value of doing it. And then in the end, you can see for yourself, it's got a proof where I go ahead and I ping from both sides and it works. Okay, so where I am, I'm just here. It looks like I'm just adding the final routes here to the AWS side. And then I'll be able to go ahead and test connectivity. And voila, F5 Distributed Cloud Services. All right, so there you have it. Another great resource we've just unboxed from F5 called the F5 Simulator Hub. Which is a great resource to learn about a few things, specifically F5 Distributed Cloud Services.